Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our channel. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the April 2020 Allure box. So, if you want to see what I got in this box this month, then keep on watching. So this is a $15 a month subscription. Now you can get your first box for $10, I believe, which is great. I do love Allure. It's not my favorite subscription. This is like a beauty / makeup subscription. It's not all makeup, so I'd say this is a beauty subscription. But for $15, you definitely, it's well worth it. Some boxes are better than others. They do have your hits and misses, but overall, I really like Allure. I really, really do. This will definitely be a box that I probably wouldn't cancel unless I had to. All right, so that's what it looks like. And the back is just plain. And you always, oh my God, look at her skin. I wish I had skin that clear. And the eyebrows, I know that's more in style, like the fluffy eyebrows, but you always got this pretty person on the front, and then in here tells you what you have, and it always gives you like what the person that's pictured on there, what their thoughts of each product. So it always comes with a little thing of tissue paper, and there we go. And a lot of times there's different variants that you can get. So what I get, you may not get. All right, the first thing I see is this. This is a flower bomb. Oh, so this is a perfume. And I love getting perfume. I got a perfume in my Ipsy Ultimate. If you haven't already, I did do my BoxyCharm Premium and I did my Ipsy Ultimate unboxings. I will leave them down below. Check them out if you like. And in the Ipsy Ultimate, I got a full-size perfume by Kenzie, which I was glad. I mean, look how cute this is. That is so adorable. Let's see. Is it a spray? No. That kind of smells like the Kenzie perfume. So it's just one of those ones that you would dab. Okay, so there we go. Let's see. Let me see what that says. This always gives you prices what the full-size items will be. So for 1.7 ounces, this is $115. Holy cow. Wow. All right. Definitely excited to get perfume. The next thing I got is Eva Nye. This is, which be, it says 10-in-1 primer. Oh, this is for your hair. So this is like a heat protectant, which I like because I like to use like flat irons for my bangs and stuff. And my daughter as well likes these stuff. All right, so this is what the full-size item will look like. It would be like a sprayer. And of course, this is a sample size. This is like a spray that you push down. This one here is one of those types. And a full size would be $12. And let's see what it says. Hairstylists preach that healthy hair and hot tools don't belong in the same sentence. That's very, very true. But I refuse to give up heat styling. To minimize damage, I always prep with the heat protectant and blow drying cream. I never blow dry my hair, always let it air dry, but I have to put something in it while it's wet, otherwise it frizzes. So I'm really glad to get this. I don't mind getting hair products. I know some people don't like that. The only thing I do not really like getting is like nail polish. All right, so that, oh, this is from Cisapair. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I had tried this at Sephora one time, and smells pretty good. This is the Cancel Out Redness, and this works so good. This is by Dr. Jart. I know that's expensive. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but if you suffer from any redness, that takes it away instantly. It's also like a primer. So full size is $52. It's very expensive, but it really does work. But if you can't afford this, then you can always just get like a color corrector. Like LA Girl has it. You can go to a drugstore, but like I said, it does work amazing. It says this cream is meant to work as a tinted moisturizer, color corrector, and sunscreen all rolled into one. The namesake ingredient, tiger grass, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In this jar, the cream looks like a mossy clay mask, and the Green Wonder neutralizes all the issues, right? Because that would cancel out the redness. Constantly red skin, hormonal acne. I typically turn to foundation to solve. Then the green fades into a beige that blends into my fair complexion. All right, so let me show you. All right, so that's what it looks like. It's definitely not filled. Like, as I'm doing it, you can see there's really not a lot in there. But it is definitely enough to try it. So it looks green, like she says, but once you blend it in, the green goes away, and like it will definitely, it really does work. That's good. I'm glad to, oh my God, I just made a mess. I'm glad to get that in there, even though it's a small amount for those days that I'm like very red. I know if you suffer from rosacea or anything like that, this is really good for that. Okay. The next thing we got is from ALLURE. So this is a toner. The last time we got was a lip balm that I really, really liked. So full size would be $55. Wow, that's expensive. So that's what it looks like. And it's glass. I love toner. Oh, I almost dropped it. How I use toner is after I cleanse my face or exfoliate it, then I'll take a cotton round, you know, put it on the cotton round and go over on my face. And I want to make sure I get all the residue off of like cleansing or exfoliator, you know, and then I'll go in with my skincare. So I love toner. The next thing we got is this ALLURE. This is by Jean Seo. This is a hydrating and common serum. Not sure if that's for your face or not. Let's see. All right, so full size would be $15. And it says, made with hyaluronic acid and potassium sorbate. This gel-like serum is perfect for my oily skin. Okay, so it's a face product. When I use it in the morning, it doesn't make me look as if I dunked my head in a vats of oil, like heavier serums I tried. Okay, and it just goes on. You know, like I said, it says their experience with the product. So that's good. If you have oily skin, this is definitely good for you. Happy for that. The next thing is from Thrive Cosmetics. I love Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I love it a lot. This is in the shade Khaki Mocha. So what is this? This is a lip filler, long wearing, plumping lip line. Plumping lip line, I never heard of that. All right, so it's like a brownish color, which I'm happy to get because as you guys see, I like darker lipstick. So I would go around and kind of color it in and then go on top of it with like any kind you can get. But if you ever have a lipstick that's like way too light for you, you know, you go in with a darker lip liner. So it feels creamy and it feels nice. It's a very brown, so I wouldn't wear this on its own. But I guess you could have got two shades, this one and then this color here. It's like a pinky reddish color. And this is full size and this is $20. And if you use ALLURE 15, you get 15% off your order. So I do like Thrive Cosmetics. And last but not least, from Pure Lease, there is and I think I seen a picture on here you could have got from two different ones. Yeah. So you could have got the watermelon mask or the one that I got, the matcha green tea. I would have preferred the watermelon. I'm into this kick, like the watermelon, pineapple, like fruit themed skincare. I don't know what's wrong with me, but matcha green tea is very good for you as well. So either or I would have been, you know, I'm happy to get. And for a pack of 6, it's $36. Wow. Holy crap, that's expensive. All right, so let's recap what we got in the ALLURE April 2020. So we have a sheet mask here. And if you don't like sheet mask, a lot of people don't like sheet mask, but you can always use it for your neck, for your hands, you know, but don't let these go to waste because the serum works really, really good. All right, and then we got from ALLURE, we got this toner. Then we have from ALLURE, I'm not sure how you say it right there. There's like that little thing on the top. This is a serum, a common serum for your face, which I'm excited to try. This right here works amazing. I know it's $52, but seriously, if you suffer from rosacea or, you know, your skin gets red or acne, you know, like the red around it, this works wonders for it. But like I said, the cheaper route is just use a color corrector. Then we have this hair for like, you know, if you use like for heat or protect your hair, which I'm glad to get. And we have this very small perfume that's so cute. Love it. And then the lip liner. So that is everything that we got in the Allure for the April's box. And like I said, you definitely get your $15 worth. I really love Allure. One thing with Allure you need to know, like you will always get hair care, makeup, skincare. So if you are the type that just want an all makeup box, this box isn't for you. But if you like to try all different things like I do, then this is really great to try. And for $15, you can't beat that. But that's everything. Let me know how you feel. What do you think of Allure? What did you think of Allure this month? Do you think it's great? It's not the best one that we got, but it's pretty good. I mean, I've had a lot worse. So let me know. Don't forget to rate this video. So I always ask at the end of all my videos to rate the video, because the more thumbs downs that I get, then I know that you guys aren't interested in seeing this unboxing. So give me a thumbs up if you like unboxings, if you like Allure, and if you want to see me continue to unbox this on our channel. Give me a thumbs down if you don't really care for Allure and you don't want to see this on our channel. Then, like I said, the more thumbs down I get, then I will not put this on it anymore. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join our family. I do have a couple giveaways going on right now. I have our 40K giveaway, which I am so excited about. I still can't get over. We are almost at 41,000. I will leave that video down below. And I also have a handbag from Balzano that is still valid. No, you wouldn't say valid. It's still open. I will leave that down below as well. And turn that post notification bell on. Make sure you have it on all so you can be notified for all my future videos and my giveaways, because I do enjoy giving back to you guys. And that's everything. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going and how you are handling this quarantine life, like lockdown. Let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.